has invited the Shillong All Faiths Forum, duly constituted just maybe 2 or 3 weeks back. 2-3 weeks back. So today we had a meeting. A detailed meeting was also discussed, and the issue of the meeting is for reopening of the worshipping places all over the state of Meghalaya. So ultimately the decision was taken, number one, before reopening of, one subcommittee was decided to constitute under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, and also few members from the Shillong All Faiths Forum for revisiting back the drafting of protocols and SOPs. Let me just remind you, I would like to refresh all of us here. 2 months back, SOPs and protocols has been notified accordingly for reopening of the washing places in the state of Meghalaya. However, today in the meeting that we had with the leaders of the Shillong All Faith Forum, again we would like to revisit the previous notification issued by the government, where the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, will be the chairman, and the meeting will be held within this week itself. Point number two, the forum has expresses, if everything goes well, if the situation improves, they are ready to start reopening of the worshipping places throughout the state of Meghalaya from the first week of October 2020. So these are the decisions we taken today. If you have any question, please ask. If the situation improves, because last time I've already told you, COVID-19 has even spread to the community. Okay, it has already spread to the community, but still under control. We are still under control. That's what I'm saying, because even the leaders of the forum, they express it the same way. But hopefully, with the help of Almighty, by the grace of Almighty, I'm sure the situation will improve certainly, and then the worshipping places can be reopened in the first week of October 2020. It is on the rise, no doubt about it. But if you compare with other states, still we are in the better position.
Why the meeting decided to revisit the SOP which has been formulated earlier?
Number one is because the new guidelines has been issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So we need to revisit. I think in one of the clauses were mentioned by the Ministry of Home Affairs, they mentioned that 100 people. They said within 100 people. But let me just tell you one thing, 100 people, I think it is not at all reasonable. Because in the churches, in the town area, huge space you have, huge washing space you have, where you can even maintain. You can easily maintain that 6 feet distance from each other. And I think out of maybe 1,000 or 2,000 members, if you say only 100, then I think it is equivalent that we don't have the worshipping. Okay? So that's what I'm saying, why we need to revisit again the protocols, SOPs issued earlier by the state government. Now we have formed a committee under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary, and then within this week, this committee will sit down and then they'll bring back to the government, then we will notify.